Hi guys, my name is Alexa Manas from BSBA FM1C. I'm here to teach you some tutorial about problem solving of our subject Mathematics of Investment. So let's start.
Simple interest. Simple interest is defined as the product of principal, rate, and time. I equals PRT. I is simple interest in pesos, P is principal in pesos, R is rate or percent of the principal which is to be paid per minute of time, T is units of time usually expressed in years or fractional parts of year. So this time we will use the formula P equals I over RT.
Problem number 1. 3 months after borrowing money, David Tan pays an interest of 270 pesos. How much did he borrow if the simple interest rate is 5 1/2%? So let's solve it.
The principal is the 270, the rate is 5 1/2%, and the time is 3. So we will divide it by monthly, 3 over 12. So 270, the 0.055, the 5 1/2%, transfer it to decimal, so 0.055. And then 3 divide 12 is 0.25. So we will multiply the 0.055 and the 0.25, so it is 0.0138. So 270 divide 0.0138 equals 19,562.22. So the interest is 19,566.22.
Ordinary annuity. An annuity in which the periodic payments R is made at the end of each payment interval. This is the notations that we can use. S is the sum of amount of an annuity. A is the present value of an annuity. The RS is periodic payment of the sum. RA is periodic payment of the present value. The T is term of an annuity. R is rate of an annuity. N, number of conversion periods for the whole term. M is number of conversion periods per year. I is interest per conversion period, R over M. AO is ordinary annuity. ADU is annuity due. ADEF is deferred annuity. So this is the notations. We will find the amount and present value of an ordinary annuity. So the formula that we can use is S equals
4 times 12 is 48. So after the solving of I and N, so we proceed to the solving of ordinary annuity. So the formula of an ordinary annuity is S equals RS and angle I of table 5. So S equals 9,000, the RS, and RN is 48. Angle RI is 2/3%. So let's copy the 9,000 and this I, angle N, we will find that in the table of values. So this is the table of values. So we will find that 2/3%. So this is the 2/3, and we will find the number 48. This 56.394915. After we confine to the table of values, we will copy the 56.349915. So we will multiply, and the answer is 507,149.24. So this is the ordinary annuity of after solving the S, we need to find the A. The formula is A equals RA and angle I of table 6. So you will write the 9,000 and the N is 48 and the I is 2/3%. So copy the 9,000 and the 48 and 2/3, we will find to the table of value of 6. So this is the table of value of 6. We need to find the 2/3 number 48. So 40.961913. After finding, you will copy the 40.961913. So the 9,000 and the 40.961913, you will multiply it, and the answer is 368,657.20.
General ordinary annuity. The first payment is made at the end of each payment interval. The notation is A, present value, R, periodic payment, N, total number of compounding periods of the whole term, M, number of compounding periods for 1 year, I, rate per compounding period, C, number of months in a compounding period, P, number of months in a payment interval, K, the number of compounding periods in a given payment interval.
Let's solve it. So the R is 550. The rate is 4%. The M is 1. The time is 10 years. The P is 3 months and the C is 12. After finding, let's solve the I equals R over M. So it's 4%. The N is T times M equals 10. 10 times 1 equals 10. K is 3 over 12 equals 1/4. 1/4 means table 8 because it is fraction. the finding I, N, and K, we will proceed to the solving of A. A equals R and open close, and the inside is 1 over S and K angle I, and the second is A and angle I. So A equals 550. The inside is 1 over 1/4 angle 4%. And the second is A. The N is 10 angle 4%. So we will find it to the table 8. So this is the table 8. We will find the 4% in the table. So this is the 4%, and we will find the 1/4. So 4.059510. And to the second is table 6. We will find the 4% and number 10. 8.110896. So you copy the 4.05950 and the 8.110896. So you will multiply these three. 550 and 550 multiplied by 4.05950 and 8.110896. So the total is 18,109.44.